Today is Sunday, December 15th, and this is another update on my progress, beating the S&P 500 along with Bill Ackman's Pershing holdings. I do make these videos every Sunday and Tuesday, so if you want to follow along, hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. These are going to be all of the sales that I made since my last update. I decided to repeat the sales that I made 2 updates ago, and I ended up selling 5% out of my 7 largest positions. And those were Apple, Amazon, Costco, Meta, Microsoft, Nvidia, and then PayPal. The market shot up quite a bit on Wednesday, so I used that as a good opportunity to go ahead and trim some more of my positions. This is what the SPY chart's going to look like right now. The SPY price is currently below the 5-day, but still above the 15. And where it closed at today is also directly along this green trend line, which it also closed at on Tuesday. This is the spike I was referring to on Wednesday, which is when I sold the 5% out of those 7 largest positions. At this point, I do think a lot of the good news has already been baked into the market, so I don't think that the markets are going to have enough momentum to get back above this black trend line. So going forward until the end of the year, I'm going to use any sudden spikes as selling opportunities. I'm going to ideally be looking to do this twice and sell 5% each time. Over the last month, the SPY price has already risen 3.15%, so I think this could be the bulk of the December rally. I do still think that the SPY price is going to follow this green trend line, but I just don't see it finishing anywhere crazy above that. These are going to be all 11 of my current positions. Right now, my top 5 are Amazon, Meta, Apple, Nvidia, and Microsoft, and those make up 48.99% of my portfolio. PayPal is still my biggest winner by far with a 24.26% gain. Right now it only makes up 8.01% of my portfolio, but I definitely see PayPal being one of my bigger positions going into next year. With the sale that I made on Wednesday, that puts me at 79.66% invested, which means right now I have 20.34% sitting in cash. I don't see myself adding to any of my positions before the year is done, but if the markets take a dip and the SPY price falls below that green trend line and touches the 15, I could potentially see myself adding to positions like PayPal. Since Wednesday, my portfolio had a gain of 0.45%, the S&P 500 saw a gain of 0.24, and Pershing had a gain of 1.26, which brings us year to date. My portfolio has a gain of 37.36, the S&P 500 is at a gain of 27.58, and Pershing has a gain of 10.44. That's going to do it for today. I do make these videos every Sunday and Tuesday, so if you want to follow along, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you on Tuesday.